I'm going to show you guys how to grade the listening activities. So you go to your class. I'm going to use Spanish 1. Click on the under topics right there. Go to, I'm recording this. Go to the vocab. Oh, no. Go to Escuchan and then click on the quiz. You need to be logged into Classroom through your account. It should open this. You click here, responses, view responses and sheets. It may ask you to create a sheet if one hasn't already been created. I like to highlight this and change it to 14. Looks like maybe Lisa, you've already done that. You can also click on this and alphabetize. And then you take this grade and you put it into Canvas. And that's it, easy peasy. As kids, well, everybody should have done it by today. So over here you see the timestamp when they did it. If it shows that they did it after today, if they did it on the 12th, as long as they did it before I grade it, I give it to them. That's just me being generous. But you don't have to do that. And that's it. So call me if you have any questions.